Sunday, my fellow West Coast Swing dancers, it is myself, the talented Miss Laura.
Hello, thank you.
Of course, we're going to show you and share with you what we taught our Sunday West Coast Swing students here. Twice a month we're here in Herndon. This is something actually I've never taught in Herndon. I've taught this in years past at my other main location, but never here. So I want to bring it to Herndon this year. All right. So for the beginning of this, quick and sweet, after the end of your sugar push leaders, you're going to go in a right-to-right hand hold. However you wish to do that when you social dance with your partner. I am all for it, but I just don't have a lot of time for the class to get into beyond a quick right-to-right. This is a real quick move. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, it's a whip, so it's only an 8 count. So by a right-to-right hand hold, I'm off to the follower's right, I'm off to my left. So you're going to pull her through 1, 2, 3, and 4, turning her to her left. Guys crossing around. So we're just going to do that real slow. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I know there was a lot there. I'm going to show you how to do that. So as she's coming through, let's go this way, front to back. You're going to pull her through, turning her to her left. Guys, go across. Now as she's turning, take your left hand and put on the back of her left arm. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you see my hand back there, that's a key, because that's the key connection for the next part. Now with the other hand, you're taking it over your head because you need it to get out of the way. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you notice where I'm at on the floor, I'm still off to her right because I want her to stay on the track because of what's coming up next. So on the 4th count, pull her up onto that foot. Make sure she's coming forward because of what is next. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So she's up on her right foot. I'm off to my left, back onto my left. So now the ending. It's just easier to do it and then show you how to do it. So after the sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You end up right back where it was. Okay, but there's a big tandem turn there that really is the key to why we like this move so much. So after 4, stopping, 1, 2, 3, and 4. However quickly you get your arm over here, leaders, that's your call. Okay, because the quicker it's there, the more time you have to make the next part work. So from here, I'm going to step back to my right and step back on 5, and I'm going to push her through. And then I continue turning to my right 6, which continues to turn her, and then she does her triple step almost in place. I know that was kind of rough because we were going slow, but a little bit slower, but a little bit quicker. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 step, turn, and triple step. Maybe it might make more sense going front to back. Pull her through, I'm off the track. Pull her forward, step off the track. And then as she's coming through, get back on the track. Okay, so one more time, this direction. I know we tried different views. 3 and 4. So guys, you're going to pull her forward, create the energy. Step turn, create the energy. Okay, so now you end up right back where you were. You can do it again, if you so choose. But we're going to give you some ways to get out of it. One is a head loop. Her right's still in your right. Pull her forward, sugar push count. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then slide her left into your right hand, and then you're back to where you started. Or you can do a walk past and a hammer lock. You go 1, 2, I turn my wrist clockwise, and then I send her back where she was. Okay? Or you can do a little fancier. You can go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Or whatever you want to do. We just gave you 3 different ways to get out of it. So one more time, just the move itself. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, in a loop. Whatever she wants to do, she'll like it. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you.
Hope you guys like that. Thank you guys so much for your support, for watching. Click that subscribe button. It's a free video every time we share something with you. We hope you use it next time you go dancing. Until then, have a great week. Keep dancing.